Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going on a cruise to Asia from Europe. We're in Istanbul, Turkey. I didn't film the travel vlog because the flight in total was only an hour and a half, and so I didn't think that would be worthy of a full video about, because it would have been really short. This is one of the mosques in Istanbul, and we're just already out here because we got up really early, and so I didn't feel like filming yet. So we're just walking out here while I do my intro. So welcome back to the vlog. I'm sorry for the late upload of the Athens video. I just uploaded it yesterday when I'm filming this. I am sorry about late uploading that. There was some uploading errors, but anyways, video should be back on schedule now, and I'm going to switch over to Tuesday, Friday because it's more even. But welcome back to the vlog. Let's get started. So I just ran up here as soon as the boat things opened and we were allowed on. I just sprinted up to the top deck and grabbed this seat, the very front one on the top, and I think it's going to be pretty good. But we shall see. As you've learned before, we don't normally get seats like this on stuff.
Built by the Genoese, the Italians, who were given control over part of that city for helping the Turks, the Ottoman Empire, in a war. And it was built in, I think, 1384. I could be off by a little bit on that. It was built as actually a watchtower to watch over the harbor, and over there around the watchtower there's a whole bunch of old walls that you can see still from the top of that tower where we went yesterday. Yeah, no, you can't see them from here because there's too many buildings in the way, but it was a pretty cool view. I didn't vlog it, but here's a picture of me right there. And also somebody was inspired by Leonardo da Vinci and actually, allegedly I should say, created a hang glider and flew from that tower all the way across the Bosphorus to the Asian side.
Which you can't see because it's smoggy. Did they really do that?
That's the story. How
did they fly that far?
I don't know, exactly.
Wait. It's the party boat. They've got music playing. I don't think that's a public ferry. So you may notice two things. First of all, we're downstairs, and second of all, I'm filming this. Okay, I didn't really have two things, but I just wanted to say that. But anyways, let's move this towards me. We're downstairs now because the wind got really, really bad up there. There was at least 30-mile-an-hour gusts. So we're downstairs now, where it's warm and safe, and there's a cafe. Now we're going to that castle over there, on top of the hill. But we're downstairs now. This is our last stop before the castle, so I'm gonna go back up now. Here's our row. Okay, so you saw the downstairs level. That's the exact same as this one. There's no difference except there's a cafe block here. And now we can go outside, and I can be buffeted by really, really strong winds again. Okay, so then you get this. It's the same on the back. And then you go up to the top. Right here. I don't know where Daddy went, but which is pretty cool. That's where we were sitting, but it's gone now because we gave up. We abandoned the top after the winds got really, really strong. So yay. That view. Nice. Evil eyes. Swing. Oh, wait, I want to go on this. Ah! Bye, guys. You guys can stay here. This is what I'm gonna do. I didn't film much of the boat because I was kind of tired and I wanted to sleep. But yeah, we're gonna go home now. So outro time. It's the party boat.